Hey everyone. Today I want to talk about something serious, something that's hitting headlines and stirring real action among students at NYU. It's about our favorite sports brand, Nike, and a controversy that's proving to be quite unsettling. So, what's going on? Just a few weeks back, students at NYU took a stand at their bookstore, protesting against Nike. Why? Because of the heart-wrenching labor practices overseas. Nike, a brand we all know and many of us love, has been linked to a factory in Thailand, known as the Hong Seng Knitting Factory. This place, thousands of miles away, is where the real cost of some of our sneakers and sportswear is being paid, not with money, but with human dignity. The issue here is severe underpayment. Over 3,300 workers at this factory were denied more than $800,000 in wages. That's a lot of missed meals, unpaid bills, and broken dreams. And these are the hands that craft the gear sold right here in our college stores. Brandon Wu, a sophomore at NYU, along with other students, is calling out for justice. They demand that NYU cut ties with Nike to push the brand to ensure that their workers are not just seen as part of a supply chain, but as human beings deserving fair pay and respect. Here's where it gets more intense. NYU is part of the Workers' Rights Consortium, a group that's supposed to look out for labor rights. Yet, here we are seeing the gaps that still exist in corporate accountability. The university, well, they've responded saying they're reviewing the situation. But is that enough? For the students on the ground, it's a clear no. They want action, not just words. This isn't just a single story. It's a glimpse into a global issue that affects many of the products we use daily. It's about understanding where and how our goods are made and who suffers when corporations cut corners. So, what can we do? First, staying informed. Knowing the backstory of what we buy can make a huge difference. And supporting movements that advocate for workers' rights isn't just important, it's necessary. Because at the end of the day, every purchase we make is a vote for the kind of world we want to live in. Thanks for tuning in, and let's not just stand by. Let's make our voices heard for every worker in every factory across the globe. Remember, change starts with us. Catch you in the next video. Stay aware, stay inspired.